Happy evening to all the students and whoever watching this video. Today, I'm going to discuss a very important topic related to this pandemic and in coming years in future also about hygiene. Hygiene is very important for us because diseases grow only because of non-hygienic conditions everywhere. This might be any simple steps which goes wrong with us. Microbes, they are present everywhere in the environment, in air, in soil, in water, everywhere they are present. We cannot control any kind of microbes without entering a body. No, they can enter a body anytime. How can we save? How can we be safe from them? It's not only that because we are staying at home, we are safe. No, because in home also, the environment is very important. The environment condition of home, next to our home, in street, each and everything is very important, which is related to hygiene. They should be healthy hygienic conditions practiced by us, our children, society, our neighbors, relatives, friends. Everybody should practice a very healthy hygienic conditions. Let it be outside or when we are present at home. It doesn't mean when we are at home we are safe. No, we are just preventing social distancing from others. But we are safe. We are fighting against these microbes only when we follow proper hygienic conditions. This video will present some basics of hygienic conditions for all of you. Let's me start sharing screen with all of you. I welcome all of you for Hygiene Home for All. Now, let us see what is the simple definition of hygiene. Hygiene is a concept related to cleanliness, health, and medicine. By this itself, we can understand that hygiene is a very important concept which is related to health and medicine. Moreover, cleanliness. It is well related to personal and professional care practices in medicine and everyday life settings. Hygiene practices are employed as preventive measures to reduce incidence and spreading of disease. Please remember, all of you, hygiene is the practice where we prevent spreading of disease. Hygiene is also the name of branch of science that deals with promotion, preservation of health. Hygiene is a small 7-letter word which saves lives everywhere. If we follow the procedure or if we follow hygienic conditions, let it be with our cleanliness, with our food habit, everything. Let us see. In my next slide, you can see the other meanings or other terminologies used for hygiene. Body hygiene, personal hygiene, sleep hygiene, mental hygiene, dental hygiene, occupational hygiene used in connection with public health. Now you can understand. See here, you can understand by the terms which I have used. Body hygiene. First of all, a body should be clean. Every time it's better to take bath and clean ourselves from different kinds of microbes as well as sweats which is released because of these microbes. Personal hygiene is very important. Let it be diet or anything else. Sleep hygiene, yes, we need a proper sleep. Avoid stress, please avoid stress. Sleep properly. 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very important. Mental hygiene, again, be happy. Don't show off. Show off in the sense, don't be every time sad. Try to be happy. Avoid stress. This is related to mental hygiene. Dental hygiene, whatever food we are eating, please, I request all the students, make a habit to gargle. Example, I just want to share with you, there are more than 500 species of microbes present in our mouth. Just imagine, whatever we are eating, let it be breakfast, lunch, dinner, any snacks, tea, coffee, anything in between, juice, please, after having even a small snacks, gargle your mouth properly. Gargling is very important. It will keep your dental condition very good. Occupational hygiene, wherever we are working, office, anywhere we are, hygiene is very important because we are not alone. Our hygienic conditions will have an indirect effect on our colleagues, our friends, our relatives, our families. Let us see what is this basic hygienes we have to follow at home. Home hygiene number one. Can you see the picture of a water tank before cleaning how it is and after cleaning how it is? Please, please, I request whoever is listening to this and watching to this video, please try to follow this. First step, please, while sweeping your home, especially ladies who are the home managers, please, while sweeping your home, put a mask or cover your mouth, nose, ears properly, because microbes are present everywhere. Viruses, bacteria, fungal, that is fungal spores, protozoans, they all are present in air everywhere, especially in dust particles. In dust particles, we have spores of fungus present and many pathogenic organisms present. Hence, please, I request ladies to please cover your mouth, nose, and ears. Please. Washing of water tanks thoroughly at least weekly once is very, very important. Listen to this carefully. Can you see the picture again? Before washing of the tank, after washing of the tank. This we just very casual, because oh, we are just using for bathing, we are just using for washing this water. No need to clean the tank, nothing like that. Please make a habit, students. Help your parents to clean the water tank at least weekly once. Take some time, hardly it takes half an hour, because when you open the lid of your water tank, and when you touch with your finger, you can feel some greasy like layers. That is algae, growth of algae. It has indirect effect on our health. It will suppress our immune system when we take in. Food poisoning cases, how do we get? We always concentrate on outside food, that okay, we have eaten today masala puri or anything else from outside, hence our stomach is upset, we have got the food poisoning. No, apart from this, water tanks are also one of the reasons for food poisoning. Please wash this at least once, students. Please help your parents. Next, we are using nowadays only mineral water cans. When the mineral water can comes to your home, when you're pouring it into the water pot, you have to make sure that before pouring the water in that small box or water pots, please clean your mineral water can thoroughly outside. Then you put in a water pot. Why? Because we are drinking that. Make a habit. Finally, in this, please clean your fans, light, televisions, refrigerators weekly at least 2 times. When you see the fan of your home, please, if now also after seeing this video, please see your fan, off your fan, stand in a tall stool anywhere where you can see your fan properly. You can see a lot of dust particles, a lot of dust has been accumulated on the blades of the fan on the upper side. Now you're sitting on the dirt, you're sleeping on the dirt, you're eating on the dirt. Imagine these dust particles. If they enter in your food, through your food, what might happen? Hence, home hygiene is very, very important. Let us continue with our second slide of home hygiene. Please clear the wastewater or standing water from backside of the refrigerators, and please clean your freezers. This is very, very important. Apart from these diseases, there are many other diseases. Like in standing water, we get a lot of mosquitoes, larvae of mosquitoes living there. Please clean this. Proper cleaning of utensils, plate, glasses, which are used daily purpose at home, is also important. Apart from that, compulsory, please clean non-used utensils which you have just kept at your home, which you are not using it, but please clean it at least once every week, because dust particles, these viruses, these fungal spores all settle on these kind of things which you don't have time to look after. Please make a habit of cleaning non-used utensils also. Then, home hygiene third. I request all of you, students especially, please help your parents wash your bike, car, whichever you use for daily traveling. Please, you have to wash weekly once at least. Because no doubt, when you are coming from outside in our vehicle, bike, car, scooter, scooty, anything, TVS, anything, when we are coming, what we do, we just lock that, we come inside, we wash our hands and legs thoroughly, everything is fine. This vehicle comes inside a home. We are parking inside in our veranda. So what will happen? Definitely dust particle from outside. There are chances of different types of microbes, fungal spores, all will settle on that. Please make a habit daily. Take a cloth, wipe that thoroughly, wash your hands thoroughly after that, or at least do a water wash weekly once. Cleaning up of all furnitures in your home, including sofa, chairs, dining table, or any kind of drawers in kitchen is very, very important. Please clean your wardrobes of clothes, stands of slippers and shoes, because here dust will get accumulated like anything because of non-usage. Hardly we wear only one pair of slippers. Remaining of our slippers and shoes will be stored in some stand. We don't have time to see that might have happened to that. A lot of dust particles would have settled there. Lot of dirts of small animal like lizards would have settled there. This will lead to unhygienic conditions. This will indirectly or directly definitely affect our health issues also. It will suppress our immune system. Why? Because in dust particles, different types of microbes are present. Fungal spores, definitely it will be present in dust particles. What is this fungal spores? These are nothing but nowadays we are seeing in news: black fungus, white fungus, yellow fungus. There are different types of fungus. Majority of fungal diseases are related to respiratory problems. You might have seen. Example I'm giving you. If I would started cleaning this, when I'm cleaning this, sometimes I feel cough, and sometimes I feel irritated in my throat while cleaning all this because of dust allergy. What is this allergy? Fungal spores. So please, I request students, please clean your wardrobes of clothes, stands of slipper and shoes, because here dust will be definitely accumulated because of non-usage of things. Please clean it every week once, because microbes are present everywhere. You all know that our cells, how many cells are present in a body, so many millions of microbes are also present in a body. Please support our microflora. That is only one reason where our immune system will fight against any kinds of diseases. If our digestive system is in super condition. Now let us see how to make our digestive system in super duper condition. Here students and parents who are watching this, please avoid eating oily foods or non-veg at night time. It's very, very important. We don't follow this. Hardly 1% of people follow this. We want to eat non-veg or oily items only with our family at night time, because that time only we get to spend with our children's. But it's a very, very bad habit where you might have seen doctors will say that you must have at least 3 to 4 hours prior, before you sleep you should have your dinner. Hence I request all of them, please avoid eating oily foods or non-veg food at night time. You can have in breakfast, you can have in lunch, because your body will utilize or digest it very fast, because you will be in live action in morning and afternoon. Whereas at night already we have all these fatty acids, cholesterol in our body naturally present in us. When we are eating and immediately we are hardly within 1 hour we are sleeping, or 1 or 2 hours, so what happens? Digestion will be very slow. It will be very slow. It will have indirect effect on our microflora. Lactobacillus. Acidity will be created. This acidity, if it is more in stomach, what happens? You feel burning sensation in stomach at night time. This burning sensation will indirectly kills the microbes which are very good for us, like lactobacillus. And accumulation of cholesterol starts. So these are all negative things happening. So better to avoid eating non-veg at night, or at least we should have at 7 o'clock, then we should go for a walk and sleep at least around 11 p.m. If it is possible, you can do it. But according to me, nighttime, please avoid oily foods and non-veg. Include in your diet green leaves, vegetables, fruits compulsorily, because they are very high in vitamins and fibers. Please remember, students, vitamins are not naturally present in our body. We have whatever food we are taking in, they are rich in vitamins. They are nothing but fruits, green leaves, and vegetables. Please have food properly on time. Anything, whatever you're having for breakfast, afternoon, that is lunch and dinner at your home, please have properly on time. Avoid reasons for avoiding your food. Don't give any kind of reasons. saying that I have forgotten to take the food on time. I was reading for exam. I was writing for exam. Online classes were there. I was outside very busy. Please avoid these reasons and have your food on time. Maintain your microflora of intestines. If you maintain your microflora in intestines, it will make your immune system very, very strong. Drink plenty of water because water washes away different type of toxins, different types of toxins. What to say? These toxins excreted by different types of microbes. That's the reason. Please drink plenty of water. It will clean your kidney. Best medicine, that is water. You can see this diagram where you can see that fats and oily foods, we have to, sweets, use sparingly. Sometimes only we have to eat. Water, you have to drink plenty. Hence, I request all of you, maintain proper diet conditions for yourself and your family, your friends, your relatives. Then, avoid drinking of cold water from refrigerators as it has a lot of negative effects on your digestive system, which will directly affect your immune system. Yes, due to the summer season, what we do, because all of us are at home, we are just opening our fridge, taking the cold water and drinking it like anything. Children's, students, especially for you, I'm saying it will indirectly or directly affect your digestive system. You cannot have food properly. You'll feel like you're not hungry because of a lot of gastric things are produced in your stomach because of this cold water. Please never drink or avoid drinking a lot of cold water from fridge. It will have a negative effect on your digestive system, which will affect the immune system directly. It will suppress your immune system. Instead of that, drink warm water. Make a habit of drinking milk because milk contains nutrients, especially probiotics, vitamin D, immunoglobulins. No doubt it boosts the immune system and risk of allergies will be less. But the most important thing is milk will boost your lactobacillus probiotic microorganisms which are present in your intestine naturally. If that is more in number, your digestion will be proper. It will boost your immune system like anything. Make a habit of drinking milk. Next, very important thing, home hygiene, toilets. The keep your toilets or restrooms always clean. Better clean it daily with phenols or very good antiseptic liquids which kill all kinds of microbes. Wash your hands frequently. This is very, very important, students. Wash your hands frequently with soap or sanitize your hands after you come out of restroom. Always wear slippers while going to toilet. Make a habit of this. Now, home hygiene number 7, that is kitchen. Keep yourself and work areas clean. Keep raw meat away from other foods until you prepare that meat. Always cook properly and prepared food. Store foods appropriately before and after cooking in refrigerators. It's very, very important. All who are at home, students, please explain to your mother, please explain to your sisters about this. Hygienic conditions in kitchen is very, very important. Then, never store leftover foods in fridge or refrigerators for more than 1 or 2 days. Now, whatever food we are eating at night, something is left out, don't store in the fridge for more than 1 or 2 days. I believe more than one day itself, it will create a lot of problems in your digestive system. Avoid storing vegetables, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables in fridges for more than 2 to 3 days. Always inform. If you have housemaid or a cook at your home, please inform them to wear plastic gloves in hands before cooking or washing vessels, and they have to wear a towel, let it be white in color or any color. They have to wear a towel on her or his clothes so that while cooking food it will be safe for all of you. They should have proper haircut. You can see the picture. They should be proper haircut, or they can wear a cap where the hairs are not visible while cooking. There are many things they have to follow strictly. So I request students and the parents, when you have your housemaid, please from your side give them a plastic glove so that let them wear and cook your food, because your health and your children's health is very, very, very important. Next, if you have a garden, a small garden at home, let it be a small rose plant or anything. Students, parents, whoever watching this video, please be careful. Why? Because in soil we have majority of fungal spores present. There where many of them get infected with fungal spores, that is fungus. Majority of fungus causes breathing problems in human beings apart from the skin infections. So please examine plants carefully before buying. Good roots or bad roots. Use fully composted yard waste. Keep an eye on your bugs, whether the plant is infected by a bug or not. Clean when the leaves fall down or flower fell down or whatever happens. Please clean that place carefully. Apply correct fertilizer. Use correct fertilizer. Use plant disease resistant varieties. And please be careful while gardening. I'm requesting the people who are gardening, please be very careful. Wear mask properly, wear plastic gloves properly in your hand, wear full clothes properly, like full hand. Then you go ahead with gardening. Washing. Home hygiene number 10, washing. Exercise caution and common sense. These are very important things. Good practices to consider include removing your shoes when you enter your home, changing into clean clothes when you return home after being in crowded places, wash your hands with soap and water immediately, always clean your bed sheets, towels, clothes regularly, wash them regularly. You can also add antiseptics and water while washing your clothes, like Dettol. It will kill all the microbes from your clothes. This is an additional step of precautions. Finally, the food hygiene tips. Basic tips to avoid different types of microbes, including all types of fungal diseases as well as coronavirus. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap at least 20 seconds before if you're preparing food or having your food. Use separate chopping boards to prepare uncooked meat and fish. Cook food at recommended proper temperature. Wherever possible, keep perishable items refrigerated and pay attention. This is very important. Pay attention to products' expiry dates. Dispose of food waste, packaging in appropriate and sanitary manner. It should, when you are disposing it, please dispose properly so that it should not be a disturbance to your neighbors or your next friends or whoever is living with you in your home or next to your home or in your societies. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before eating. That's what I was saying. Make sure your children do the same. Always use clean utensils and plates. Hygiene is our only weapon to fight against any kind of diseases. If we have proper hygiene at home, no diseases can enter our body. Even if it enters, we have a very strong immune system in us when we are following a proper diet, which will definitely kill any kind of viruses or fungus or bacteria, whichever entering our body to harm us. Hygiene is the only weapon which prevents all kinds of microbes entering our families. Stay home, stay safe, and I can just say, request all of you, please stay hygienic. In my next video, we'll see in detail how this microbes affects our lungs, how it creates respiratory issues for us. Till then, stay home, stay safe, please stay hygienic. Goodbye, Shabakher. Thank you.